Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make like a normal video to like a green screen video on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to select this video, and then I am going to go to cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout, and then to that I'm going to add a green screen. And I'm just going to select this video and put it on top of the green screen. Go to basic and scale your green screen until it fits the whole frame. And that is it really. You can then just export it and use it as a green screen later. You can upload it as a green screen for people to use if they can't remove the background themselves. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please share this with your friends. It may be helpful to them too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!